as anyone in the food and beverage industry can testify, that nothing spells success like a smile on the face of a satisfied customer. What goes into creating a delicious couple dish, though, is another matter altogether. Serving hundreds of customers daily can take a toll on your infrastructure. And then, even the slightest problem in the kitchen can potentially break down the entire operation. So, operation stability is critical. Dar AL Anqaa. With us, it is a better story. Dar AL Anqaa, a brand of commitment, gives you complete surety no kitchen problems will come between you and your success. Not only are we one of the most experienced companies for food preparation equipment and its maintenance, but also our matter expertise in many areas makes us the proven specialists in the field. Which means we can help your restaurant from its very inception to complete operational success in every step of the way. With their technical guidance, our consultants and engineers can help you develop your menu, identify your back and front kitchen requirements design for the most efficient layout, and develop all related shop drawings. And, depending on your unique needs and specifications, we can supply and install all the required cooking or beverages preparation equipment. Dar AL Anqaa is also known for its quality stainless steel fabrication, cold stores and chillers generally. Our quality fabricated products will help your infrastructure last well past the operation life cycle, and the unsurpassed quality of our cold store will ensure the safety of your food stock in storage. At Dar AL Anqaa, we pride ourselves in providing our partners with exceptional service and quality. Our maintenance plans and after-sale services are a testimony to that fact. Dar AL Anqaa. With us, it is a better story. Learn more at www.phoenixcke.com or email us at info@phoenixcke.com.